In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover lost files in Figma quickly and easily. If you accidentally deleted a design file, moved something by mistake, or just can't seem to find an important project anymore. This simple method can help you get it back in just a few clicks. This is especially useful for designers working on fast-moving projects where losing a file can feel stressful and time-consuming. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Figma and go to your file browser or dashboard. This is the main area where you can see your recent files, drafts, and projects. From here, look over to the left sidebar and click on Trash. The trash section is where Figma stores deleted files before they're permanently removed, so this is the first place you should check when something goes missing. Once you're inside trash, look through the list of deleted files and find the one you want to recover. If you have a lot of files in there, take your time and make sure you select the correct one. After you found the missing file, right-click on it. A menu will appear with a few options, and from that menu, choose Restore. This tells Figma to bring the file back out of trash and return it to your account. In most cases, the file will go right back to its original project location. If that original location is no longer available, Figma may place it back into your drafts folder instead. Either way, your file is recovered and ready to use again. Now you can open it, continue editing, and pick up right where you left off. So just to recap, if you lose a file in Figma, go to your dashboard, open Trash from the left sidebar, find the missing file, right-click it, and select Restore. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of time and stress. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Figma tutorials and design workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.